This is 1-inch thick K-wool blanket, and it should be rated for right around 3,000. It's 2 foot that way, and I'm pretty sure this is a 3-foot piece. I'm going to try to save some of this for a new forge that I'm going to do. So I'm going to try to cut this direction, but I need to know how much I need for the forge. Let's see. 7, 5 and 5, and 5. So it's 20 through here, 27 roughly. That should give me some overlap. So obviously I'm not going to be able to do it the direction that I want it to. I want to be 9.5 the other way. Okay, I'm down to just cleaning this up. My goal with the first layer was to just get all of this covered up, because the K-wool is still pretty nasty stuff. You need respiration protection, because that stuff gets airborne, tear up your lungs. But it's all covered now. Just going to clean up the edges. Okay, so I've got this thing put back together. I've got the refractory in, and it's looking pretty good. Now I need to set this up. Tighten this down. And I'm going to start this really slow, just let some flame kind of cure this a little bit, and shut it down. Let it warm up really nice and slow so nothing breaks or pulls too much moisture out of it too fast. And then I will get it fired up fully. Okay, I'll get my fire brick set in there. Now this thing is hot right now, because I just started it real nice and slow, make sure everything worked. So I will set up my gap like I had before, and I will light this thing and let it start off a little bit slow and then go full tilt.